water comes in here from the tank, goes down this hole, comes out this hole, and goes to all them little holes there.
Right here.
Yeah, right there, all them little holes. And then it fills the bowl up with water, and it flushes down through here and up through here, and this P-trap. And then it goes down in the drain to your septic tank or sewer. And that's how a toilet works. And if you can stay away from these type of flush valves, they are the worst flush valve I ever seen. And this, I bought a new aftermarket flapper for this, and it never did seal right. So it always leaked water and never did work properly. So that's a Glacier toilet. I'm putting in a new American Standard toilet to replace it.